Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new quad palettes by Colourpop. Okay, the first one that I have is Sparkler, and this has the colors Extra Bubbly, Sweet On, Seltzer, and Cool Cola. I will be swatching them in a minute, just hold up. And the second one I have is Mocktail. I only bought two. That was more than enough for me. And this palette comes in the colors Iced, Shaken, Chaser, and Highball. Look at it. Very, very beautiful. And then this one again, gorgeous. So I will be swatching them on my arm just so you can have a look at what they all look like. And then I will be doing a look with them. First, let me just grab a little brush just to see how these look swatched. Ooh, this is beautiful and golden. Like, look at this. I don't know why I swatched it way right here, but look. That looks really, really nice. And then I'm gonna go in with, and that's the color Sweet On. The next color is Extra Bubbly. So let's see how that looks next to it. Ooh, these colors are so beautiful. I'm like literally so excited. Look at this one. That's Extra Bubbly. And then the more matte colors at the bottom, this one is Cool Cola. And then the last color in this palette is Seltzer. Gorgeous. For the Mocktail palette, this first color right here is Shaken. It's a beautiful, looks like a golden looking color. Yes, it's nice and golden and orange. Ooh, this would be a pretty highlighting shade. And the one next to it's a beautiful pink shade, Iced. Very pretty. And these will look a lot better once I put them on because obviously I'll have on primer, concealer, so I'll make the colors pop. On my hand, it doesn't really do it justice, but I just wanted to show you. The next color is Highball. Highball is this color right here. And for the next color, it's Chaser. Ooh, yes, Chaser. This one's Chaser. These are all very beautiful colors. So next I'll be priming my lids. Before I get started, I'm just gonna put a couple of dots of the Juvia's Place concealer on my eyelids. And before, I'm gonna let that sit there for a little bit. Before I get started, I'm going to put powder on my under eyes because since I'm doing my eyeshadow last, I don't want any fallout. So first I'm going to go in my crease with Cool Cola. I like these little palettes because it reminds me of when I first started doing my makeup. I used to buy the little 4 palettes by Almay or L'Oreal, and they'd have like greens and blues. And that's when I first started really dabbling into makeup. And I would just follow what it said on the back of the instructions. And then that's how I did my eyeshadow. It was a very interesting time. Very interesting time. I'm liking the way this color is looking, but Colourpop Cosmetics, they always come through with decent eyeshadows. Like for their price point and the pigmentation of these shadows, they look really good. They're pretty consistent with that. Okay, I'm just gonna do this to the other eye. Again, going in my crease with Cool Cola. Cool Cola is a really dark color when you first put it on, but then when you blend it out, it looks exactly how it looks in the palette. Yes, I'm really liking the way this looks. Then I'm going to mix Seltzer into Cool Cola. Now Seltzer is definitely like the older brother of Cool Cola, like for sure, for sure. So I'm just gonna take my time and blend it all in. Y'all, this blending takes forever. Ugh. So far, I am loving the way this looks, like loving it. Yo, the way these colors are coming up on my skin tone is looking at me. I'm like, wow. Oh my God, wow. Okay, next color I'm going to put is Sweet On. Gonna put that in the inner corner of my lid. First, I'm gonna spray my Morphe M23 brush, or 21, and then just swirl it around. Tap off the excess, and just put it in the inner corner. Ooh, this is so pretty, so pretty. So these shadows are definitely highly pigmented, and this is a nice, good summertime glow look. I said I was gonna put this in the inner corner, but I kind of put it a little bit more than that, and that's okay. That's okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, so right next to that, I'm going to be putting Extra Bubbly. These two colors put together just look gorgeous, like flawless. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of Extra Bubbly and Sweet on my lower lid. How is everyone's spring going so far? Are you all getting vaccinated? I'm just curious. I haven't got vaccinated yet, but I know a lot of friends and family members who have already got the vaccine. So I'm just curious. Are you gonna get vaccinated? Are you gonna wait? Let me know in the comments. Oh, this looks so pretty. Can't wait till I put some lashes on. It's just gonna look real nice. Okay, perfect. Let me just go pop some lashes on and you're gonna be able to see the final results. All right, well, this is the final look. If you wanna see how Mocktail looks, check out my IG or my TikTok. My name on there is Call Me Cheyenne A. I will be linking it somewhere down here, and it will be in my description as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.